Chemistry tools and equipment. Before we begin with the principles of chemistry, let us review what kind of glassware and equipment we use to study this broad subject. Safety gear. One of the major things we often ignore is wearing a safety gear. This includes goggles, a pair of latex gloves, and a lab coat. This not only makes you look cool and makes you feel like a responsible scientist, but also protects you from all kinds of chemicals you may be coming into contact with, knowingly and unknowingly. Electronic balance, used for measuring mass of a substance or chemical, usually consists of a pan on which you can place the substance you want to measure. This generates current proportional to the displacement of the pan due to the pull of gravity, which then translates into the displayed reading. The electronic balance is a simple, yet one of the most important equipment that should be present in any laboratory. Ring stand, used as support to clamp laboratory glassware and other equipment in place, so it does not fall down or come apart. Ring lamp, used with a ring stand to hold glassware such as a beaker or a funnel. Wire gauze, may have a fiberglass or ceramic center, used to support a container such as a beaker on a ring stand while it is being heated. Bunsen burner. Be careful not to put flammable materials like a cloth or chemicals like aromatic compounds such as petrol anywhere near it, or this may erupt a fire. Beaker. A beaker is glass apparatus used to hold, mix and heat liquids. Beaker tongs. Metallic and looks like a scissors' older sibling. Beaker tongs is used to handle beakers. Crucible. A ceramic pot used for holding chemicals during heating at very high temperatures. Clay triangle. A metallic triangle used to support a crucible during heating. Crucible tongs. Used to hold crucibles. Evaporating dish. A wide ceramic dish used to heat liquids for evaporation. Utility clamp. A metallic clamp used to secure glassware to a ring stand. Burette. A long glass graduated tube with a tap around it. A burette is used for dispensing an accurate volume of a liquid and measuring its discharge. Conical flask, also known as the Erlenmeyer flask, is a glassware that has a narrow neck that expands towards its base. It is used to hold and mix chemicals. The small neck is to facilitate mixing without spilling. Test tube. A glass tube with a round base used to hold and mix liquids. Needs a steel rack or a clamp to hold it. Pipette bulb. A round rubber bulb used to draw liquids into a pipe. Forceps. Used to pick up or hold small objects. Mortar and pestle. Used to crush and grind materials. You may have seen something similar in your kitchen. Scoopula. Used to transfer solids. Looks similar to a spoon. Stirring rod. Used for stirring and mixing and is usually made of glass. Funnel. It is used to transfer liquids or fine-grained materials into containers with small openings. Also used for filtration. Volumetric flask. A volumetric flask is a round flask with a long neck and a flat bottom. It is used to prepare solutions to an accurate volume. There is a small line on the neck that indicates how far to fill the bottle. They come with special caps to prevent contamination and leaks. Volumetric pipette. This comprises of a graduated glass tube that is used to measure an exact volume of liquid. Be sure to use pipetting aids for precision mixing. Graduated cylinder. Used to measure a precise volume of a liquid. Wash bottle. Used to rinse pieces of glassware and to add small quantities of water. Do you know where some of these tools originated from? Find out in our video titled A Brief History of Chemistry.
Hello everybody and welcome to another EH Productions chemistry video. Today I'll be showing you how to assemble an alcohol burner. So what you need to do first is you want to get the aluminum disc and you want to stick it through the wick holder so that it's slanting downwards like that. Next, you want to get the wick right here. Focus on that. You want to get the wick. You want to stick it through the wick holder. So here we go. This task is quite difficult because the wick is much bigger than the wick holder. But once you get it in, there you go, it should be pretty easy. So I'm going to continue to twist it all the way in. There you go. When you're almost there like this, it's better to just pull this side and twist. Alright, maybe a little more. Take a little more of that out. It's kind of hard to get a grip. Alright, here it is. The tip of the wick is not supposed to be that long because we're supposed to be burning the alcohol, which will be flowing through the wick, not the wick itself. So now I'm going to get the alcohol burner here, and I'm going to get the insulating piece. I'm going to stick it on there. Next, I'm going to stick the wick through the insulating piece. Oh, okay, here we go again. This one isn't going to be that hard because, well, it doesn't look as hard since the insulating piece has a bigger hole. Okay, this is going to take some time. Be right back. Alright, I managed to get it in. I'm just going to keep twisting it out. Just like so. There you go, you should get something that looks like this. We're now gonna put it into the lamp. Like that. And there you go. This is the cap for you to cap it up. And that is it. That is how you assemble it. Now, I'm gonna show you how to fill it up with D.
Cách sử dụng đàn cồn trong phòng thí nghiệm. Khi sử dụng đàn cồn, cần phải chú ý đến lượng cồn có trong đàn cồn, cách châm đàn và cách tắt đàn. Không nên để cồn ở trong đàn cạn gần khô kiệt, bởi vì khi cồn còn quá ít thì sẽ tạo với không khí thành hỗn hợp nổ. Nhưng cũng không nên rót cồn vào trong đàn quá đầy, mà chỉ rót đến gần ngấn cổ. Tuyệt đối không được châm đàn bằng cách lấy đàn cồn này châm cho đàn cồn kia, vì làm như vậy cồn đổ ra sẽ bốc cháy. Còn muốn tắt đàn cồn thì ta dùng nắp đàn chụp vào ngọn đàn, không được phép thổi bằng miệng. Còn khi đun nóng thì cần chú ý phải để đá ống nghiệm hoặc là thành của bình lò muốn đun nóng vào chỗ nóng nhất của ngọn lửa đàn cồn, ở khoảng 2/3 vị trí của ngọn lửa đàn cồn, tức là ở vị trí 2/3 của ngọn lửa kể từ dưới lên.